My name is Sebastian. I'm working here at QDM, Quantum Design Microscopy, and I am in the Research and Development department. And the main work is I'm doing application for showing what the benefit of the FusionScope is, but I also research for new AFM modes. In this application node, I measured the vitamin C particles, and this is really interesting because when you look at the powder, it's really small, which you cannot see with a normal light microscope. So we were interested in how does these particles look under an SEM, so a scanning electron microscope, but also what is the roughness of these particles. What I did, I can show you this here. I took an SEM image of this particle, and what you can see is that there are completely different sizes of particles and distribution of these particles. And the next step is, okay, I would like to know the roughness of these different particle size. Are there any difference? And therefore I used the AFM, so the atomic force microscope, to measure the topography. Here I approach the tip to the sample, and here this is now the topography. So again, the AFM measurement, the topography, and you can here also see that there's some structure into the at the particle. And what I did, I zoomed in again with the AFM, and what you can see here, a clear structure. So it's really cool that it's not only flat, because when you look at the powder with your eye, or on the particle with your eye, you say, it seems really flat. Doesn't seem that there's any other structure in this particle. But with the AFM, we can see that. And what's really interesting in this particle is exactly that it seems to be consist of different materials, because the phase in the AFM image indicates the chemical composition of your particle or your substance. And here you can clearly see, so this is a 3D topography or 3D representation where the phase is color scaled. It looks like this particle consists of two different chemical components, and it's wow. I don't know how to see that anywhere else. And the good thing here is, with the FusionScope, you can also do the force distance curve measurements on these different spots. And due to the profile view and also using the SEM, you can see exactly, okay, now I'm landing again at this position where I want to land. And our results shows exactly what we thought. The stiffness, so which is kind of mechanical property of your sample, they are different. So here we have another stiffness than on this spot. And yeah, without the FusionScope, I think it would be really hard to see exactly this kind of properties. Another thing what I meant, or what I found out during my experiment, was that not all particles are flying flat at the surface. Sometimes they are also standing, and without the profile view or the SEM, it would be really hard to see. And I can show you one image here, or one video. So here we have a particle which is not flying flat, it's flying, it's lying like this. And here you can see how the tip is approaching to the surface or to the particle, and you can see how this particle is bending a bit. And without the FusionScope, without the profile view, this was not even possible to see this exactly. And we can see this also in the force distance curve. When we now have the force distance curve here, you can see clearly two different regions in this force distance curve, which we can match to also this video. And this is a real big benefit of the FusionScope.